Welcome back to Educators. Ready for a fraction quiz? You will be tested on how to identify and write a fraction. I'll give you 20 questions from easy to hard, and you'll see a set of blocks. The total number of blocks will represent the denominator, and the number of colored blocks will represent the numerator. So, the answer to this is 2/4 or 2/4. Feel free to pause at any time, and let's get started. Did you get it? It's 1/3 or 1/3. Bingo! It's 3/4 or 3/4. Correct. It's 2/5 or 2/5. You've got it. It's 4/6 or 4/6. Amazing! It's 3/7 or 3/7. Great job! Now, let's make this a little more challenging, shall we? Did I trick you? It's 3/5 or 3/5. Very good. It's 4/10 or 4/10. Nailed it. It's 7/10 or 7/10. Perfect. It's 9/10 or 9/10. Sweet. You're totally getting this. It's 5/11 or 5/11. You're doing great. And we're halfway done. Let's bump it up to a harder level. Did you get it? The answer is 4/11 or 4/11. Correctamundo. It's 9/12 or 9/12. Right again. It's 5/12 or 5/12. That's right. It's 3/13 or 3/13. Bingo! It's 10/15 or 10/15. Now that you've proven to be a fraction wizard, let's try some ultra-hard ones. Did you get it? It's 9/15 or 9/15. Correct. It's 12/18 or 12/18. You've got it. It's 16/18 or 16/18. Perfect. It's 16/20 or 16/20. Did I trick you? It's 8/24 or 8/24. Nice. Give yourself a high five. How'd you do? Leave a comment and tell me how many you got right. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another fun challenge. Thanks for watching.